Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Water rate problems get easy fast when you translate the rate into total usage, and this one lands cleanly if you stay calm and integrate. Since the town uses water at a rate of R of t 1,000 gallons per hour, total water from 3 to 9 is the integral of 12 plus 9 sine of quantity. Now evaluate that integral over 3 to 9. The constant 12 gives 12 times 6, and integrating 9 sine of 0.5t minus 1.6 adds about 34.6 more thousand gallons. Add those parts to get about 106.6 thousand gallons, then round to the nearest integer and you get 107, which matches option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, sign mistakes, or rushing. Rule, trust the given rate, then check each integration step carefully.